Understanding Complete Fertilizer, a guide for gardeners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a topic that's crucial for gardeners but might be a bit confusing for those new to the field: complete fertilizers. Whether you're looking to boost your garden's growth or just curious about how fertilizers work, you're in the right place. Let's get started and unravel the mystery of complete fertilizers together. A complete fertilizer is a blend specifically designed to provide plants with the essential nutrients they need to thrive. These nutrients are commonly referred to as NPK, which stands for nitrogen, N, phosphorus, P, and potassium, K. Each of these elements plays a vital role in plant health and growth. Nitrogen helps in the formation of proteins, which is essential for leaf growth. Phosphorus contributes to root development, flower, and fruit production. Potassium is key for overall plant health, aiding in water uptake and disease resistance. A fertilizer is considered complete when it contains all three of these primary nutrients in its mix. The packaging of these fertilizers will often list the NPK ratio, indicating the percentage of each nutrient compared to the total content. Choosing a complete fertilizer is beneficial for gardeners who want to ensure their plants receive a balanced diet without the hassle of mixing different fertilizers themselves. This balanced approach promotes healthy growth across all plant parts, from roots to leaves. It's especially useful for boosting the growth of young plants that need plenty of nutrients to establish themselves, maintaining the health of your garden throughout the growing season, ensuring that flowering plants and fruit trees have the necessary nutrients for bountiful blooms and yields. When selecting a complete fertilizer, consider the specific needs of your plants and the current soil condition. Soil tests can help determine which NPK ratio is most beneficial for your garden. Here are some tips for using complete fertilizers. Read the label carefully to understand the application rates and instructions. Apply fertilizers according to the recommended schedule, which usually varies depending on the plant type and the season. Be mindful of over-fertilization, as too much of a good thing can harm plant growth and soil health. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance and benefits of using complete fertilizers in your garden. By providing your plants with a balanced mix of essential nutrients, you can enjoy a healthier, more vibrant garden. Remember, the key to successful gardening is understanding the needs of your plants and the environment they're growing in. Happy gardening, and see you in our next video.